Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Update tayo sa ating SB19, The King of P-Pop. Pag-usapan natin ng konti kung ano ba ang Wikimedia Commons with SB19. Ang Wikimedia Commons ay isang archive o folder o storage na kung saan doon nakastack at nakasave halos lahat ng mga files, images, videos, memories of SB19 na kung saan pwede gamitin ng napakaraming artist, isa na dyan ng SB19. At pwede rin magamit ng 18 at ilang fans. Dito rin nakastacks o mabrowse ang lahat ng files ng SB19, lalo na ang kanilang pagtatag World Tour Concert. It's free to share media files. At syempre, kasama din dyan ang simula at wakas kick-off concert ng SB19, lahat ng files, picture, videos ay dito naka-storage at dito rin ma-access ang high resolution logo ng SB19 at 1Z Entertainment. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Wikimedia ay isang repository free use of images, videos at ibang files ng mga artist. Isa na dyan ng SB19. Ito ay originally proposed ng isang German author at developer na si Molière. Na-launch ito officially last September 7, 2004. Ang headquarters nito ay nasa San Francisco, California, US of A. Hindi ito basta-bastang storage room, archives o online repository.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put